Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Neet city intimation. This crucial step helps you prepare for the upcoming examination by revealing your assigned city well before the admit card is released. Knowing your city early allows you to make necessary travel and accommodation plans, reducing last-minute stress. We'll walk through the simple process together, ensuring you have all the information you need to proceed confidently. To begin, navigate to the official Neet examination website. Once there, look for the prominent link labeled City Intimation Slip or similar on the main page. Clicking this link will direct you to a login portal. You will then need to accurately input your unique application number and your date of birth to access your specific details. Ensure all information is entered correctly to avoid any access issues. Once you've successfully logged in, your city intimation slip will appear on the screen. This document clearly states your assigned examination city, along with your application number and full name. Remember, this slip is solely for informational purposes. It is not your official admit card. You will still need to download your admit card separately closer to the exam date for entry into the examination hall. After viewing your city intimation, it's wise to download and save a copy for your records. This ensures you have the information readily available as you finalize your travel plans. Keep an eye on the official website for updates regarding the release of your official Neet admit card, which will contain your specific center details. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial outlook, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.